In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your WordPress blog with n8n and AI. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. If you're a WordPress user, you know how much time it can take to manage your blog, from posting new content to interacting with your audience. The good news is, we can simplify a lot of these processes using n8n, which is a powerful automation tool that connects various apps and AI to enhance your workflow. First, let's get started by talking about what n8n is. It's an open-source workflow automation tool that allows you to make connections between different applications and services. Think of it as a bridge that helps various platforms communicate with one another. With n8n, we can automate actions between WordPress and an array of other tools. The very first step is to set up n8n. You can run n8n on your local machine or use a cloud service. If you're new to it, I recommend using the cloud version for ease of use. Head over to n8n's official website and follow the instructions provided to create your account. Once you're in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as this will be your workspace for automation. After you've set up n8n, the next step is to create a new workflow. You can do this easily by clicking on the Create button. This is where the magic happens. You will be adding nodes, which are the individual tasks you want n8n to perform. Now let's say you want to automate posting new content to your blog. You'll first need to add a trigger node, which tells n8n when the workflow should start. For example, you might select a node that connects to an RSS feed, so every time there is new content in that feed, it triggers your workflow. Following that, create a node that formats your content. This is where AI comes into play. You can connect an AI service, such as OpenAI's GPT, to assist in generating engaging summaries or improving the text of your posts. This step ensures that your content is not only timely, but also high quality. Once you've set up the nodes for your content trigger and AI interaction, it's time to connect it to WordPress. You'll need to use a WordPress node, which lets you create or update posts. Here, you'll map the output from your AI node to the input fields of your WordPress node. This is where you decide how your post appears on your blog, including the title, content, tags, and even categories. Now, before you activate your workflow, it's always a good idea to test it out. n8n allows you to run tests for each node to see if everything is connected properly and functioning as intended. This way, you can catch any issues before you let it run automatically. Once you are satisfied with your setup, hit that Activate button. Your automation is now live. From now on, whenever there is new content in your chosen RSS feed, n8n will use AI to enhance the text and automatically post it to your WordPress blog. And that's it. You've just learned how to automate your WordPress blog using n8n and AI, which can save you a significant amount of time and help keep your content fresh and engaging. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave any questions or comments down below.